snowman's body. And we have blue for the scarf because it's going to be cold in winter. We have black for the eyes. And orange for the
teeth.
We have...
Tomato has little nose.
He has a carrot nose. Snowman has a long nose.
Yeah.
And what's the pink for?
Teeth.
For the cheeks, yeah, the rosy cheeks.
After that, teeth.
You have rosy cheeks too. Okay.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Our snowman macarons. Yummy? I'm so proud of you for making your first snowman macarons.